Take a look at these two words on your screen. These two words are not pronounced with the Z sound. The letter S in these two words are not pronounced with the Z. Instead, these two words retain their S sound. So you say assume, assume, and not assume. You say consume, consume, and not consume. Right. Now the noun forms, the nouns, it's pronounced the same way. Assumption, assumption, and not assumption. We have consumption, consumption, and not consumption. I hope you've learned something different today. Remember, this is Spoken Thoughts. Stay connected as you stay corrected. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.